Anthony from TOA Tech Talks, and today I'm starting a new series. And the series is going to be called Timely Tech, where I show you some very cool tech in a timely manner. Today we're going to be talking about filament. So if you didn't know what filament is, it's basically the material that a 3D printer will take in, extrude out of a nozzle, and then where it will harden into an object that will be the object you're 3D printing. There are two types of main filament that people use, PLA and ABS. PLA is environmentally friendly, it warps less, and it doesn't need a heated bed such as other materials. The other kind of filament is ABS, which isn't quite as environmentally friendly. It smells some. It's not the worst smell you've ever smelled, but you can come down, check your print, and it'd be a little smelly. But it is much stronger. Unlike PLA, ABS is resistant to sun rays, meaning that it will melt less, to where PLA can sometimes, if it's in your hot car or something, it can melt and change color. So those are the two main types of filament, and they both are dependent on what brand you buy. I like buying Hatchbox filament, but there's many other types of filament that you can choose from. Another thing you should consider when buying filament for your 3D printer is the size. You can get 1.75 millimeter filament, which is what most printers use. It's basically the standard, but a new type of filament being used is 2 millimeter thick filament. And different nozzles will prefer different size filament. And so when you buy a 3D printer, or if you already have one, consider the size of filament, because you'll be very unhappy if you get the filament that you paid some money for and it doesn't fit your 3D printer. Another thing that can happen is that some companies will lock you into buying their filament by making proprietary sizes, such as 1.72 or 1 or something random like that, to where you can only buy their filament from them. So be careful in making these choices of buying a 3D printer or buying filament. Thank you for watching Timely Tech. Come back to check out some more Timely Tech videos that are coming up soon. Thanks for watching.